Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 4. Lighting for Indoor Herbs. If using natural light, place your herbs near to a south-facing window. If it's not possible, an east or west-facing window can also work. Provide ideally 6 to 8 hours of light daily and rotate the pots every few days to ensure even growth. And avoid placing them too close to the glass, especially during the winter, to prevent cold drafts. And remember, you can use a curtain if the sun is too harsh, especially for plants like cilantro or basil, or just move them to another area. If using artificial light, use full-spectrum LED growing lights that mimic natural sunlight. Position the lights between 6 to 12 inches above the plants and adjust as they grow to prevent burning. Provide 12 to 16 hours of light daily, as most herbs they enjoy long daylight hours. And remember, make sure the lights don't overheat the plants by maintaining proper airflow and monitoring the temperature. How to do that? You can use some device like an indoor thermometer or thermometer hygrometer that also is going to help with humidity. Couple tips. Use a timer to ensure you provide 12 to 16 hours of light. Use reflective surfaces like aluminum foil or something similar to maximize light distribution. LED lights produce minimal heat, but make sure there is good airflow to prevent overheating, and follow the manufacturer's recommendation for light distance. And remember, LEDs are energy efficient and they last for a long time. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, How to Water Indoor Herbs.